Wash your hands.
Hello there. Taking off my mask. Only one here. Just got back from Myers shopping. Brought my oatmeal. I'm so hungry. My mac and cheese, Velveeta mac and cheese. I bought my, ooh, I love this stuff. Noodle, cup of noodles. And I also bought minute rice, but I only have a minute to eat. So which one? I think I'm gonna, wait, what? Ready in 1 minute. Let's do it. Let's see if it works. Okay, take it out of the box. Gotta get rid of that. Here's my instructions. Remove film completely from the cap. Oh. All right. Place cup in microwave. 1 minute, it says 1 minute. Start. Oh, it's ready. Oh, look at this. I've got my spoon. Oh, it looks good. Look at that. Oh, I wish you had smell-o-vision. There's nothing like the smell of minute rice. All right, I made this in a minute. I'm ready for school. Ooh. That's good. I'll see you next time.
Wash spoon. Throw away trash.